Alright, so for this equation, it asks you to use the Lagrange multipliers to find the extrema with the given maximi function and the constraint function. So first, you're gonna have to find the gradient for the maximized function, and then find the gradient for the constraint function. So for the for the gradient for the maximize equations, you would get 8 plus 8y. This is your partial respect to x, and then your partial respect to y would be 8x plus 1. Okay, and then you have alpha multiply for the gradient for the constraint functions, which is respect to x, you would get 8 and 1 for y. All right, now you can multiply in the alpha for the constraint functions derivatives, partial derivatives. So you would get 8 alpha and 1 alpha. Okay, now you can set your I components right here and your J's components equal to each other, because you're trying to find the alpha. All right, so 8 plus 8y equal to 8 alpha, and 8x plus 1 equal to alpha. Now you can solve this simultaneously by plug this into the matrix. So you would just have 3 variables, equal to 0, and then 8x plus 1 minus alpha. So you would plug this into the matrix to solve it, or if you want to do this by hand, you can solve for one variable, and then you can use the substitution method to find the other variables. So from here, I'm going to solve for y. 8y will be 8 alpha minus 8. Y will be alpha minus 1. Alright, so now I'm going to solve for x. X equal alpha minus 1 over 8. So now you have these two equations. You can plug these two back into the constraint equations right here to solve for your alpha. So 8x, and your x is alpha minus 1 over 8, plus y is, your y is alpha minus 1 equal 400. So your 8 right here cancel, alpha minus 1 plus alpha minus 1. So 2 alphas minus 2 equal 400. And your alpha will be 201. So now you have the alpha. What you can do, you can plug that back into the x and y equations and find the x and y. So y will be 201 minus 1 equal 200, and x is 201 minus 1 over 8. So your x will be 25. So now you have x and y. What you can do is you plug it back into the original maximi equations and find your maximum number. So function of x is 25, 200 is y, equal to 8x, which is 25, plus 8, 25, multiplied for y, which is 200, plus 200, which is y. So now you can plug that into your calculator and find your value. It will be 40,400. So this is your maximum from using the Lagrange multiplier.